Did you see that fucking Yahoo that just came out of there? You probably don't. You didn't see him, but gave me one of those grins. It's like a fuck you grin. But because he came in 5 minutes before we left, walked right in. And, he's one of those guys with a loud voice. You think I talk loud? When I'm in a public place and I'm dealing with people professionally, I speak to them in a normal voice with a normal dialect and a good tone, and I'm polite because, well, that's how I was raised. But some of these dickheads, they weren't raised that way. They go in and I've been waiting since 1942 to get into this store. That kind of shit, And it really bugs me. It's like, what makes this fucking farmer's life so much more important than mine or my kids? See, in the old days, Oliver's papa would have dealt with that guy in a much different way. But I'm a father now, and I'm a good citizen. So I do what I have to do to stomach assholes like that. But there was a day where he wouldn't have been served first. Because if the minute they gave him any kind of attention, I would have said, excuse me. And then he would have said something, and I would have said something. But that was back before everybody lost their fucking minds and shot everybody. And, you can't do anything like that anymore. You can't say anything. You can't do anything. You can't look at anybody the wrong way. Fucking farmers.